Hi, welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace a master power window switch on 2014 Chrysler Town Country. This is gonna be the same procedure for Chrysler Town Countries from 2011 to 2016 and Dodge Grand Caravans from 2011 to 2019. To remove master power window switch, you will have to use some kind of a plastic pry bar. You don't want to use like a screwdriver, metal screwdriver, because you can damage the plastic here. So something like plastic. So I have this plastic little pry bar, and you just want to start from one corner and simply just pry it out. And other corner. Now when it's mostly out, you just want to pull it out. And as we can see, there is only one plug on this one. So in order to remove it, you'll have to unplug that plug. There should be a little plastic notch that you want to push on. See that black one? Wanna just push on it and pull it out. And now your new master power window switch, you just wanna plug that little plug back in, and you wanna stick it back inside. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.